At first, I thought Lydia was the villain of the season, but now I think it's actually Uche. He gets into your head, turns and twists things, puts his thoughts into your thoughts, turns situations around, turns tables around. Yeah, definitely Uche. And let me explain, okay? And he's very vengeful, very vengeful, okay? I'll give you an example. With Alia, okay? When he was about to propose and then found that Alia has left, he was so hurt, so butthurt. And when he got the producers to call Alia, he got the explanation and stuff. He managed to turn the tables, and then he was the one throwing the tantrum, and then, I'm getting off the phone, just to take the upper hand, and then got off the phone. Vengeful, manipulative, but that was not enough, was it? He had to revenge, and his revenge was this. Okay, he knew that given a chance, Alia would get back with him and continue the process. Because she had said that, I still want to marry you, I still love you. So he knew that that was still on the table. So when Alia asked to meet up with him, he could have said no, because he didn't want that. He could have said no. But he decided to go ahead and play along. And he went there, spoke to her. He had two agendas: to expose Lydia as some sort of stalker, and to get back at Alia for leaving. So the best way he could have done it is to do it while the whole world watches. He had to dump her live on camera. After she had said, I'm ready to marry you, I'm ready to be with you, then dump her just then. That is vengeful. There was no need for him to do that. He could have said, I'm not coming, I don't want to be with you. You broke it off anyway. But no, he had to come and do it on camera just to humiliate Alia. That's the kind of guy Uche is. And then, on the other hand, what he did to Lydia. Because Lydia derailed his relationship with Alia, he was also vengeful and decided to hurt her back. He exposed her as a stalker. All these people messaging me saying this girl is stalking us. She's looking at our Instagram stories and all that. But we didn't really see what he had. He was just scrolling through something. Maybe the one person asked the question, but I don't think there was loads and loads of women asking that. But he was trying to put out a picture, just to ruin her. Sort of, you hurt me, I'll hurt you back. And that's exactly what he did. And confronted her. So he had already put that out there. That wasn't enough. He had to do it right in her face to make us believe it's true. He said it in her face. So that's why he was like, all this, confronted her with it. And unfortunately, I don't think Lydia deals well with confrontation. She was just walked away screaming, you will never see this face again and all that. But she did have a response, and it was that, well, I caught you cheating. But then she just couldn't explain it well, because in a sense, Uche is very well articulated with his words, and he knows how well and where to hurt, where to strike to make you look like, yeah, something's wrong. So yeah, Uche is very manipulative and very vengeful. Certainly, I crown him this season's villain. There you have it.